is Mahesh. I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay.
And I have completed my graduation in 2020 last year.
Okay.
Yeah. And mm, now actually I'm searching for a jobs, any kind of like. Actually, I completed my graduation in BCom computers.
Oh my God. Okay, that's great. Even I also did a BCom degree, brother.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Yeah. But I
But
was
last year I have completed last year. So now I'm searching for jobs.
okay. That's good. I hope so. You will get a good job in future time, brother. Just keep
Yeah.
going, learning, and do hard work. Okay. So, by the way,
Yeah.
could you tell me like what kind of job you were searching in this day? What kind of job?
Actually, I want to the HR jobs like accountant. Actually,
Accountant.
I learned the accounts. I learned the tally course and account some various accountant jobs like. So I want to accountant.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. If you
Yeah.
talk about commerce side, brother, so here
Yeah.
is like lots of feature, lots of way to we can make a good career. If you talk about accounting, if you talk about like back office, if you talk about calling procedure, if you talk about marketing, sale
Yes.
marketing,
Yeah.
lot
Yeah.
opportunity in this day we can say, brother. So it's very
Yeah.
important, find a good way whenever you get any information, anything about sale marketing, any like digital marketing, accountant field,
Yeah.
back office, calling procedure, just try to grab it, just try to call, just try to give an interview, brother. Definitely
Yes.
you will,
Yes.
don't worry. But it's very
Yes.
important, prepare yourself like about your job, about this organization, and what you want to do in in your life. So prepare
Yes.
more. Okay.
Yes. 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 Yes, bro.
Yeah. So could you tell me, brother, like about your English journey? Because that's why reason we shifted here. So tell me how long have been, starting your journey, and when do you start your communication?
Actually, I have been started this spoken English class like around 20 days, I think.
Okay, 20 days.
Yes, 20
I see.
days. Now,
Okay.
actually, I'm starting. Just I'm learning some new words. Like I'm watching YouTube videos, some like that.
Okay,
So
that's
learning, yeah, I'm learning new things in English. Yeah.
don't worry, brother. Like if you practice, if you continue this thing, definitely you will get a more idea, you will get a fluency, you will get a like proper communication, brother. But it's
Yeah.
very practice a lot. Give
Yeah.
your time in English environment more and more. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
how do you develop yourself about English language? How do you prepare yourself? Like, what about your daily routine? What do you do about your, morning time to evening time, especially English? What do you do about English?
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially in the morning time, I studied some articles, like English articles, like sometimes I read newspaper and I watched the India Today news.
Okay.
India Today in some watching the TV channels in news channels like that, and I listened any new word. I wrote my diary.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Oh, I
I
that
yeah. So I'll after that I checked it some dictionary. That's the meaning of the word like sentences like that. So it will yeah some I'll create some sentences. So like that I'm starting like that. I'm doing like that.
okay. That's great. Your daily routine is fantastic. At least you are trying
And
to learn something
yeah,
like regular
yes. And
article,
mostly
work.
most of the time in the evening time I watch some YouTube videos like conversational videos. How to
That's
they
great.
pronounce and how to they speaking. like that. Yeah.
Yeah, just keep going, brother. Keep going. If you try to watch more video, then you will get an idea how to explain in front of people, how to start a conversation like one to one. So
Yes.
I suggest you just spend a more time about watching part, about listening part, and about talking part. Do
Yeah.
regular basis. So, brother,
Yes.
please tell me about more yourself. I want to heard about from your side because right now this is your time. This is our time to explain more and more. So, please tell me
Yes.
more about yourself. Please tell me.
Yeah. Actually, mm, yeah. My hobbies. I'm telling my hobbies.
Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. Tell me.
My hobbies are playing to cricket.
Okay. Mhm.
Playing to cricket. If I have any free time, I read some books.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
And
what about your reading part? What kind of book you try to read? Like science fiction, novels, love story, action, article, any like sad story. What kind of you try to read a book? Reading part.
yeah, mostly I read the historical books like the
Uh,
kings and queens, kingdoms like that. I love that kind of books.
So, did you read a book about Akbar versus Birbal? Maybe
Yeah,
you
yeah,
heard.
I read some books, but yeah, yes, I read. Yeah, I read that books, and last time I read the Bhagavad Gita book also. Bhagavad Gita in English version.
In
Yeah,
English. Great. That's great,
yes,
brother. So
yeah,
can you, because I didn't read, but I heard about Bhagavad Gita with English version. Okay, it's amazing mode. So can you
yeah.
tell me like the story? What was that over there? What mention? What books try to tell? A person like this is right and wrong. Can you tell me in short? Like about summary.
Like how to explain?
Like if you have any story, then try to explain like short story. Don't think about like deeply. No, it's normal. It's orally try to tell me like simple word, simple sentence, simple story. Like what based on Bhagavad Gita book.
What may most of these Bhagavad Gita based on the how to live a man, how to live a humans like human beings, how
Okay.
to how to do their how to face any problems or anything like that, and he will give some suggestions like how to live and how to uh, like honor to mm, peoples.
Okay.
So
So
many things in that Bhagavad Gita book.
you mean to say like Bhagavad Gita, if I try to read a Bhagavad Gita book, then definitely I will learn many things about nature, about human being, how to survive, how to behavior, what is a right,
Yes,
what is a wrong, everything. I think this is based on like a human being. Am I
yes,
right?
yes, yes,
That's
yes.
great. Even
Yeah,
I heard several time about Bhagavad Gita books,
yeah,
but I didn't read. But in
mm,
future time, definitely I will try to read a books, brother. Because
yeah,
even I heard about, not heard, I saw whoever passionate about to reading a books. So those people gain a more knowledge, more fluency, more idea, more technique, brother. So
yes,
reading
yes,
part is very, very important to learning something. You will
yeah,
learn many things over there. If you try to, improve your reading skill, definitely you will improve your communication. You will, boom your knowledge, your confidence. You will learn many story. And second thing, you will get some idea, some words.
mm,
If I talk about, communication, so reading is
yes,
very, very important, brother. But
yes,
we do not accept easily. We always feel to bore, brother. If I talk about my side, okay, always I feel to bore, brother. I don't know why it's a happen with me.
yes, yes,
When I start my reading book, brother, seriously I feel to like bore, and it's complicated for me, brother.
Yes. Yeah.
But I will try to invest my time in reading part, brother, because
Yeah.
I knew that the importance of reading skill. What is the benefit of reading? So I will try regular basis, brother. I try to read a short article. Like I have a always in morning time. I try to refer. I try to watch some article, read some
Yeah.
article like short news. So
Mm.
it's make me like repeat it. We can say it's make me happy when I try to read a short article. It's still too nicely. I understand over there about
Yeah.
small topic.
Yes. Yeah.
We can
Okay.
say really important about communication, about understanding, about building our confidence and learning some. We can gain our knowledge from
Mm.
you know.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely.
So, can you tell me other book's name? Like recently, last book, what was that you finished?
Yeah. Actually, last book I forget that book name.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So,
mm,
how do you?
yeah.
Please tell me one thing. How do you, feel about reading? Like, for example, if you try to read any book, so that moment, are you feel too bored and comfortable and uncomfortable? How do you manage yourself? Like, how do you push yourself in reading skill? Like, just go and read it. So, are you
Yeah.
passionate about reading a books?
No. 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 Not I'm fascinated, but I actually I started this reading last 3 months ago. I think my friends referred to me some books, so that's why I started that reading process. So little bit sometimes I was facing some boring and some uh, like uncomfortable sometimes.
Yeah, it's happened with everyone. See, you can
Yeah.
see my behind. I stored lots of book, brother, in here. I'm
Yeah.
going to
Yeah.
show.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
You know,
Yeah. 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 Mind power. Word power made is yes.
our made easy. See,
Easy.
you
Yeah.
can see like what is the length, and it's too much heavy, brother. So
Yes.
when
Yes. It's true.
you know, whenever I try to read this book, I feel too uncomfortable. I feel too so bored, brother, because here is like too much word. It's like new for me and big word. I do not
Yeah.
understand how to read, how to learn that kind of word. You know, but
Yes. Yes.
I discussed with one of my friends about this book. If we try to read this book, brother, definitely you will learn thousand of word, because in
Words.
this there are
Okay.
too much words available like vocabulary words, and
Mm.
it's different vocabulary word, brother, you didn't heard about before that. So
Yeah.
that's why we are fairly, if you talk about myself, I feel too much bored, brother, when I start
Yes.
about reading. You can
Yes.
see
Yes.
like size, weight, so heavy. So how do we make a good, how do we interact with book section, it's quite, you can
Yes.
see
Yes.
the book. I have lots of
Yes. Yes. Lot of books. Yes.
very few time I try to read a book, brother. Very few time. For example, like today I feel too happy, so I try to read one page and two page. Then after
Mm.
that I touch maybe next week, maybe 1 month later. So it's
Yes.
happened with me. I'm
I'm also
active.
I'm also doing the same thing. Only I read one page or two page. That's enough for me for a day.
Okay.
Only in the night time. Only in the night time I'll read 2 or 3 pages mostly.
Oh, I see. That's great thing, brother. We can say, we realize power of reading, brother.
Yeah.
Whenever we make a habit about reading part, definitely we will get a like fluency. We will get a more knowledge, brother. Maybe
Yes.
you about Bill Gates. You know
Yeah.
that Bill
Yeah.
Gates.
Yeah.
No, he's
Yes.
like a success person, and
Ye-
very well about his story. He
Yeah.
always had to read a book, brother.
Yes.
If
Yes.
whole
Yeah.
day, whole time try to read a books. That's why reason he has a more knowledge.
Yes.
you try to watch his biopic video, you will get the answer what is the importance of reading,
Yeah.
how to
Yes.
success person. If you try to read a book, definitely you will get a success. I
Yes.
heard about sentence, brother. That's why reason I'm talking with you. Yeah,
Yes. 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 I also heard about that Bill Gates idea. Actually, he's a Microsoft founder, right?
yeah,
But
right, right.
but but he's like his house, no any like electric items like phones, laptops. They don't
Yeah,
have
right.
anything. So only one library and more of books.
Yes,
Yeah, I
yes.
heard about that in some. Yeah, I heard about that.
Even he do not access some like luxury life. He always do a simple life, brother. He always
Like
or to simple life like regular basis walk up morning time, then try to read a books whole day whole time. And second thing, he do not waste of time about like online, we can say, like
yeah,
about telephone, about social media. He's not
yeah,
active over there, but
yes, yes,
he do one thing, he always prefer to books. That's why reason he's became a success person. And if you talk about like success people, brother, whoever became a success person, those people always believe a reading, always believe a
yes,
books, brother. So books give
yes.
a more knowledge, more
Knowledge.
tech, more idea.
Yes,
So this is the
yes.
power of books, brother, literally.
Books. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I am also feel same that I am also heard about so many tutors and so many is great persons. They also told like same thing. The books is the my best friend. Book is my best friend. Like said like that. So
Yeah,
I yeah.
if you try to make a friendship with book,
Book. Yes.
definitely book will never forget. Book always give a more knowledge. If you try to make a friendship, good friendship, you
Yes.
will get a success, brother. That's why
Yes.
reason people always prefer to just accept the reading part, just accept a book.
Yes. Yes.
Always try to read anything, just read. Then you
Yeah.
will get a, brother,
Yes. Okay.
get some idea. You will get a, you can feel your goal, your success, your dream
Yeah. Yes.
achieve. It's very important reading. You know,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Whenever we try to read a books, we will recover many things about pronunciation, about
Yeah.
communication, about
Yes.
new vocabulary, about
Yeah.
grammar structure, about story, about
Yeah.
tell a story we can call to, about we can listen our voice that moment. So
Yes.
many things we will recover only one reading skill, brother, only one reading part. If we try
Yeah.
to read a books, we will improve lots of
Oh. Yes.
pronunciation, wordings, new vocabulary, grammar structure, story, how to talk, how to destroy our fear, how to get a proper fluency, everything
Mm.
we cover from reading part.
Yes. Yeah. So, could you tell me what kind of book do you prefer? Any? Do you have any books or any like spoken grammar, like spoken English?
No, no,
Do
I don't have that kind of books. Before already I show like word power made easy. I have only this book, and already I have a lots of books, and all these book we can say belong to storybook, brother. Like a
story?
movie story. I prefer to movie, brother. I love
Yeah.
to watch a movie, and if I read a books about movie section, okay, I feel too happy. So always I prefer to movie book, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Movie. I
Yeah. Yes. Okay.